Pronouns help us to be economical in our writing because they keep us from having to repeat the same noun over and over again. But they can also cause confusion. Hi, this is Thomas from Cozy Grammar, and the trick to using pronouns effectively is making sure that each and every pronoun has a clear antecedent. For example, my neighbors planted these flowers. Aren't they beautiful? Here we have one pronoun, they, but two possible antecedents. They could refer to these flowers, but they could also refer to my neighbors. Both of these sentences would be not only clearer, but also more interesting if I rewrote them. My neighbors planted these flowers. They, like my neighbors, are beautiful. By separating out my neighbors again, it is clear that the antecedent of they is these flowers, and also that my neighbors are beautiful human beings. Isn't it amazing how much like flowers human beings can sometimes be? What questions do you have about making your writing clear? Feel free to share them in a comment or through our website, cozygrammar.com. And did you notice? Since questions was plural and writing was singular, you understood that questions was the antecedent of the plural pronoun them. That's another trick you can add to your bag.